Big bakeware set includes 9-inch x 13-inch covered cake pan, 2-piece 10-inch x 15-inch sheet pan set with insert, 2-piece 9-inch x 5-inch meatloaf pan with insert, 2 9-inch round cake pans, 9-inch x 13-inch covered cake pan, 9-inch square cake pan, 9-inch x 13-inch crispy sheet pan. Durable bakeware. These baking pans are made from heavy-gauge steel for fast, even heat that resists warping. Oven-safe baking pans. Bake pans are oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with bold-colored, extra-wide grippy handles for comfort and control. High-quality nonstick. Long-lasting, enhanced nonstick bakeware provides excellent food release and easy cleanup. Feel Good Baking. A portion of the proceeds goes to Yum-O-R, Rachael's nonprofit that helps kids and their parents develop healthy relationships with food and cooking. Bake like Rach. This bakeware set is the perfect complement to many other pieces in Rachael's bakeware and cookware collections that always spell fun in the kitchen. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic and useful sizes. The first day home, I used the bread-sized pan to bake a loaf of bread. Usually I would let the bread maker cook the bread after mixing it. This time, after mixing the bread and pounding it down, I baked it in the oven, in my new bread-sized pan, and what a perfect loaf it came out to be. Best is, all I had to do when it was done is turn the pan over and the loaf fell right out. The cooking was very even. These are not aluminum pans. They did not twist as they were heating up. This pan set has very useful sizes and is one of the most versatile sets on the market for the price. They are sturdy and beautiful to look at. I am totally satisfied so far. More later if anything changes. As far as the talk of toxic fumes coming off the metal, or it being bad for your birds and small pets when you use them for the first time, as said in the instructions, which one reviewer did mention, I am sure that it is probably something that California had them write in the warning labels, because these are not Teflon-coated pans. I found no smells or problems with fumes detected upon first use. Still, it is better to be safe and not have any of your birds around your kitchen while you cool or clean anything, because birds are especially sensitive to cleaning materials as well as food cooking sumés. Your oven itself has materials in it which can affect birds every time you heat it up. Good cooking.